to Not So Current Affair.
On tonight's episode, we are going to be covering the topic of a local Australian YouTuber who goes by the name of It's Ash and his hate comments.
So let's dive right in.
The first one is from Ryan Constable. Grand Canyon? Oh no, that's just Schmidt's nose. You understand?
You didn't read it right. You're supposed to say Grand Canyon. Oh no, that's...
Well, Ryan, you know what they say.
Big nose, many hoes. So from Lachlan Lewipar.
You said it right. You said it right.
Responds to your question sticker. You're the coolest guy out there.
No, you're the coolest guy out there.
Lachlan.
My phone. What is it?
You eat meat.
Raw. You got diabetes.
Well, according to
Man, baby. Me too. Okay, so the next one is from Sean M.V. Collins. Navs are gay. Raccoon said KSI wannabe. We
That's
know.
so true. That is so true. He walks around with his bandana like he stopped shit. I'm like, get the hell out of here.
You said so.
Here you go.
What?
Read the next one.
I'm gonna bash you if you move. Well, actually, that's a really that's a big problem in moving because his weight.
His weight tends to make him collapse because it's very hard to balance, especially if you're pudgy like him. So, you know, we're working on that. And I spent your phone just turned. Oh, there we go.
Okay, the next one is from Talia. Talia.
Talia? The next one is from Talia, and she says, you look like a, IDK. You look like something bad, I guess. You idiot. Well, Talia, you see...
I agree highly with you because Ashford is a very big idiot. So you...
You are correct. Here you go, next one.
Oh.
Next one.
N. Kowanaski.
Kanawaski.
N.
Kanaski.
Ganaski.
Ganaski.
Ganaction.
Ganaction. 9, by the way. Not 1, not 2.
God,
3.
can you... Oh my god, that's actually very true what you just said.
You're like 1 out of 5 vegan.
Oh, that's fucking depressing.
That's really mean. I think you should... So,
So
the
true.
next one is from Jonas, not Jonas Totally. Responded to your question sticker. Can you be my gamer boy?
Next. This is from Mitchell Mahoney. He said, camel humping sand. Sorry, that's a good one.
We'll be back after the short break.
So yeah, guess who's back, guys? I am back from the back from the right? My brother, I told him to come bring out of the keys. Right. You guys mind? Stop looking at me, you freaking.
Oh my god, stop being a just shoot the video.
Okay, fine. Hello guys, so out here back with another video. Today is the day. Somehow my brother's roped me into reacting to his hate comments. Okay, so I haven't read these, but he has for some reason.
Read it one at a time.
Shut the f up, dog. Okay, lick my asshole by Brooklyn. Ebony_Jane 05. You nasty hoe.
Say this name. Say this name.
I know the Ponce bit.
Yeah.
Oh, Ponce Ramos.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've heard you say it a million times, but I was seeing where it ended and where it started. Ash Mike White. Bricks and Dicks 19. That's what it says. Bricks and Dixon 19.
Yeah, that is.
No.
That's Brandon. Yeah, I don't think he's supposed to be Bricks.
Bricks and Dixon 19. I don't have a channel, but I like you. Can you diss me? No. Not with a name fit.
Don't look at me.
Ned. N. Kanowski 9. Vegans are superior. Bet got low. Lowy? Low. Low. It's triple E's because is that how you actually spell it?
No, this is.
12 year old Tuesdays. You are already talking shit about me to my face, so ha 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 ha. Raccoon.
Raccoon, yep. Not a raccoon.
Irrelevant. You're irrelevant.
Can you guys do something? Can you guys do something? What vlog?
You better not drop it then.
What are you doing?
Are you on it? Wait! Wait! I'm moving closer to you. No, I'm moving this way because it's cold.
Asshole. Oh, you god. Fuck bitch ass. Trying to with me. For the vlog, I just like dove in the pool just randomly.
Do it. That's retarded. Why did I do this?
I don't know. Hey, do you know what?
What?
You know what would be a good vlog footage?
No. Don't.
3, 2.
I mean, no. Okay, no, I can't. Give me the camera. I know that was the stupidest thing you could have ever done. What if we dropped it? No, please don't. Stop it. Go away.
Actually, guess what?
My ears is. No.
Actually, guess what?
No, don't do the camera.
I'm throwing the camera.
Don't you dare,
Thank you.